Hello everyone. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, however you like to say it. I'm going to do an unboxing today in front of my little red, white, and blue shrine here. I just was trying to decide which bag I wanted to carry today. And I just thought I would use that as the backdrop for this unboxing. These are all Dooney and Bourke. I think you say Dooney and Bourke, right? Dooney and Bourke bags. There's a denim blue one, red, and then a lighter blue one. And then I'm also going to visit my mom today. She's still at the rehab facility because she has a broken hip, but I bought this for her room. And then I just got these pinwheels at Target. They were $1 each. I'm gonna go put them in the garden later. I just actually put the flag up a little while ago. And then this is an sunglass case that somebody sent me. It's not, fancy or anything, but I just thought it was cute, and it's just got all pretty color stars. So I'll probably use that for my sunglasses later. Okay. Anyway, I saw this Coach bag, and God knows I do not need another Coach bag, but I saw this on the Dillard's website and I loved the color. It was so pretty. So I pulled the trigger and I got it. I think it was on sale. So Dillard's is a great website. If you love Coach, I've said this before, always check the Dillard's website because they have a lot of Coach bags, sometimes different colors than what you'll find on the Coach website, and they seem to have sales a lot. So I've found it a good source for Coach bags. And because it is my birthday this month, I sort of have been collecting a few little things, and I guess you could kind of say this is an early birthday present. So without further ado, here is my Dillard's box, and I have not opened it. I opened the box, but I haven't taken the bag out. Okay, so let me see. This says it is the Pebble Leather Chase. So this is a chase bag. And it is in this beautiful green color. It's like sort of a turquoisey green, I would describe it. Let me see what the actual color is. It says BRT GRN, bright green. And let's see what this says. Pebble Leather Chase. Yeah, just bright. Can you see the tag? It says, looks like bright green. That's what they're calling it, bright green. I actually would not call this bag bright green. It's really, I don't know if it's coming out on camera, but it's really more of a turquoise green or an aqua green. It is not, when I think of a bright green, I think more of like a spring green or maybe like a bright emerald green. This is more of a blue tone in it. It's more of, like an aqua or a turquoise green. That's the best way that I can describe it. It's not turquoise blue. It's not like a Tiffany blue. It's not that color turquoise. It's definitely in the green family, but more of an aqua. So this is actually the mini chase. This is a smaller size, and it has this little turn lock pocket on the front. It has no pocket in the back. If that's important to you, that's not there. And it has a zip main pocket. The zipper is very smooth, which I like. It's very nice. I say that now I won't be able to zip it. Well, it unzipped very smoothly. And it has a main compartment inside and then a flap pocket. So also the straps are adjustable. The strap is adjustable. can see it's definitely adjustable, but it's also removable. Not that this bag would make a good clutch bag, but you could put a different strap on it. And I like to take the straps off and roll them up and store them in the bag so that they don't get misshapen or lost or ruined or whatever. This is a great bag for me for, you know, running quick errands, if I want hands free, but if I don't have a lot of things with me, it would definitely fit a phone. It would definitely fit probably a pair of sunglasses, although I'm not sure in the case, but it would fit a pair of sunglasses, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, and a small wallet, like a card style wallet. This definitely would not fit my large wallet. So, but it's just perfect for kind of everyday errands, or, you know, if you're walking your dog or something like that. So, I do have one of these in, in the flax color, which is like it's like the yellow color of corn. It's yellow, and I'm gonna do a Coach collection at some point, because I have a lot of Coach bags now, including my vintage Coach collection. But so I'll show you all of them at some point. But I thought this was such a pretty color for summer. I have had this bag for a few weeks now, and I haven't opened the box because I've been waiting to do the unboxing on camera. But it's 4th of July weekend, and I felt time to open this bag and to start using it. I'm not going to use it today because I'm going to wear a red or blue bag, but starting tomorrow, I will definitely start carrying this bag. So there you have it. That is the Coach Chase bag, the mini size. And as I said, definitely check out the Dillard's website because they have such a nice selection and things that I don't see on the Coach website. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope that whatever your plans are today for the 4th of July, that you have a very fun and safe holiday. See you next time.